Welcome to 5th grade maths. Our topic for today is to determine unknown angle measures. Before we begin, just a few reminders. Right angle, 90 degrees. Straight angle, 180 degrees. Angles in a triangle, 180 degrees. Angles at a point or angles around a point or a full angle is equal to 360 degrees. So our first figure is a right angle. A right angle measures 90 degrees. So we need to find this unknown angle. So we're going to subtract the known angle from 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus 65 degrees is equal to 25 degrees. So the unknown angle is 25 degrees. Next, we have a straight angle. A straight angle measures 180 degrees, and this part is 180, is 30. So we're going to subtract 30 from 180. And that is equal to 150. So this is 150 degrees. Next, we have a triangle. A triangle has three angles. And the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So we know this is 90 degrees, a right angle, and we know this is 35. So we're going to add these two, and then we subtract from 180 to find the unknown. So it's 180 minus 90 plus 35. That is 180 minus 125, and that is equal to 55 degrees. Next is a triangle with two angles measuring 40 degrees each. So we're going to add these two and subtract from 180. So 180 minus 40 plus 40, that's 180 minus 80, and that is equal to 100. So this angle is 100 degrees. Next, we have a full angle, or angles at a point, measures 360 degrees, angles around a point. So we're going to add these two known angles, 205 plus 50, and then we subtract from 360. So it is 360 minus 205 plus 50, and that is equal to 360 minus 255. 360 minus 205 plus 50, 360 minus 255, and that is equal to 105. So this angle, 105 degrees. And the last one is a straight angle, 180 degrees. So we're going to add these two, and then we subtract from 180. So it's 180 minus 68 plus 32 180 minus 100, and that is equal to 80. So this angle is 80 degrees. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.